Hey there everyone! Tired of fake downloads and revoked Ksign certificates? Well, look no further, cause in today's video I will be showing you guys how to download and install Sign on your iOS device using a new updated certificate. This is a brand new sign and working start, so make sure to use it before it gets revoked. As you guys can see, it is working perfectly, so make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Anyways, let's get into today's video. So first, simply open the Ksign website linked in the description below. Here, simply click on Install DNS, come back, and then install it again. Now hit on Allow and then simply open Settings and go to VPN and Device Management. Now click on the profile and then install it. Now this bookmark should appear on your home screen. Next, simply open the website again and then scroll down till you find the Ksign section. Now simply close the ads and install the top version of Ksign. Simply hit on Install and then it should begin installing on your home screen. Now simply wait for it to install. Once installed, it should give this error right here. Now simply open your settings and then VPN and device management again. Now simply trust the Enterprise app and choose the restart option. Once done, the Ksign app should begin working. The new SUT should also automatically be imported. As you can see, the SUT is working. Now to install your IPA files, simply go to Library, hit the plus icon and the Import from Files and then choose your IPA file. Now wait for it to install. Now simply click on it and then hit on Sign and Install. Hit on Start Signing and wait for it to install. Hit Install again. And now we wait. And as you can see, it has been installed and should begin working. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more amazing videos like these. Catch y'all in the next video. Stay safe and have an amazing day. Bye.